In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find hosting or name servers step by step. If you're connecting your domain to a website, setting up hosting, or pointing your domain to Hostinger, you'll need the correct name servers. The good news is that Hostinger makes this very easy to find once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the entire process so you don't miss anything. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical website tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is log into your Hostinger account. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Then click on the Login button at the top right corner. Enter your email address and password and access your dashboard. Once you're inside your Hostinger control panel, you'll see your main dashboard with hosting plans, domains, and other services listed. This is where you manage everything related to your account, including your domain settings. Next, from the top menu or the main dashboard area, click on Domains. This will open a list of all the domains you currently have registered with Hostinger. Find the specific domain name you want to check and click on it. Make sure you're selecting the correct domain, especially if you manage multiple websites. Once you click on the domain, you'll be taken to the domain management page where you can control DNS settings, renewals, and other configurations. Now that you're inside the domain management area, look toward the right-hand side of the screen. You should see a section labeled Name Servers. This is the exact section you need. In most cases, if your domain is using Hostinger's default name servers, you'll see something like ns1.dns-parking.com and ns2.dns-parking.com. These are Hostinger's standard name servers. Depending on your setup, the values might be slightly different, especially if you've changed them before. If the domain is connected to Hostinger hosting using default settings, those DNS-parking name servers are typically what you'll see. You can now copy these name servers and use them wherever needed. For example, if your domain is registered somewhere else and you want to point it to Hostinger hosting, you would log into your domain registrar and replace the existing name servers with the ones you just found in Hostinger. After updating them, keep in mind that DNS changes can take up to 24 to 48 hours to fully propagate worldwide, although it often happens much faster. And that's it. That's exactly how to find Hostinger name servers quickly and easily. Log into Hostinger, go to Domains, click on your chosen domain, and look for the name server section on the right side. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more easy website and domain tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.